Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest and the updated version graphics driver for your Intel HD. So you may have already seen some videos that they just show you to go to the device manager and update it, but that doesn't work for you. You need to download and install the exact driver for your processor and the graphics driver. So first you need to know what kind of processor you have and the graphics driver. So I'm just going to go to the task manager, and as you can see, here's the Intel HD graphics driver, and my driver date is 2021 and the driver version is 27 here. Then you need to know your processor name here, exact model. Right click on your this PC, click on properties, and here you will find your processor name here. So I'm using Intel Core i3 606U CPU. And also if I go down, you will see your Windows 10 version here. So I'm just going to copy my name of the processor here. Then you just have to go to browser and search for graphics driver for, then you need to paste your processor and then enter. Then as you can see, here is the official website for intel.com and Intel Core i3 processor, and also you can see Intel Core i3 processor drivers here. So just click on this link. So if you have other processor, don't worry, you just have to search for graphics driver for, then just paste your processor here. And as you can see, this is the latest version of the graphics driver here. So if I just click on this here, this download installs Intel graphics driver 31 version for 6 to 10 generation. So you already seen my driver version of 27, but this is the latest version here. And also this supports for the Windows 10 21H2 20H2, which is my Windows 10 here. So next you just need to do is click on download, and it will start to download on your PC. As you can see, the driver for Intel HD is downloading, which is 499 MB. So I'm just going to skip the video and show you how to install it. So after completing the download of your graphics driver, just go to the folder and double click on it to open the install widget here. Then if it shows a security warning, just click run here. Then again, you just have to click yes. And this window will open up. As you can see, Intel graphics driver installer. So you just have to click begin installation. Then you just have to click I agree. Then if you want to remove the old drivers here, you can choose this execute a clean installation. But right now, I'm just going to click on start and begin the installation. Click on start. It will start to install your graphics driver. First, it will uninstall the graphics driver. And as you can see, the graphics driver has updated, has started. So installing the new graphics driver has been started. So it will just take some time. So you have to wait for it. So as you can see, after a few minutes, my installation is complete, and you need to restart your system in order to apply the driver changes. But if I go to my task manager here and go to the performance tab, as you can see, my driver version is up to date now, which is the 31 and the 2022 version here. So you just need to restart and the driver will apply it. So that's it guys. This is how you can download and install the latest and the updated version for your Intel HD graphics driver. So you just need to search for the exact processor model number in the Google, and this will take you to the intel.com. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, a super thanks will be very appreciated. And if you want to watch more tutorial like this, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.